Tammy Slaton has come a long way since the beginning of 1000 LB Sisters, and her journey continues to inspire fans all over the world. Now, after remarkable weight loss, increased independence, emotional growth, and a dramatic personal transformation, fans of the TLC series have shifted their focus to a new hope. Many now believe Tammy Slaton should consider having babies of her own. Social media is flooded with messages of encouragement, love, and surprisingly emotional pleas from viewers who have watched Tammy go from fighting for her life to becoming a woman many now call a role model. The idea of Tammy becoming a mother may have seemed like a far-fetched dream in the earlier seasons of 1000 LB Sisters, but as she continues to conquer obstacles, the possibility of starting a family doesn't feel so out of reach anymore. As fans rally behind her, Tammy's life enters a new chapter filled with potential, pressure, and profound possibilities. Tammy Slaton's name has been tied to controversy, medical emergencies, and viral fame for years, but through it all, she's also demonstrated resilience that few could ignore. Her weight loss journey, a central storyline in 1000 LB Sisters, was once defined by frustration and setbacks. Now, she is over 400 pounds down and has defied the odds. Doctors once warned that she might not live to see 35. Yet here she is, not only surviving but thriving. And that's what has inspired fans to start dreaming about what else her future might hold. At the top of that list, motherhood. For many, the thought of Tammy cradling a baby in her arms symbolizes the ultimate victory. It's not just about weight or appearances anymore, it's about legacy, love, and life. Some fans have voiced their thoughts directly in the comments of Tammy's TikTok videos, Instagram posts, and even Reddit threads dedicated to the show. "I never thought I'd say this, but Tammy would be a great mom," wrote one Reddit user. "She's really grown and matured. If she's healthy enough now, why not?" Another fan commented on one of her lake vacation pictures saying, "I see that glow, girl. You're ready for love and babies." While not everyone agrees that Tammy should rush into motherhood, most fans seem united in one thing: Tammy Slaton has evolved into someone capable of caring, nurturing, and giving love in a way she never could before. They see that soft side now, and it's making headlines. Part of this sudden excitement around Tammy becoming a mother is also linked to her rumored new relationship. Although Tammy hasn't officially confirmed anything, recent videos and fan sightings suggest she's been spending time with someone El, the mystery man, believed to be someone she met after rehab, has reportedly been supportive of her new lifestyle. The two have been spotted grocery shopping, walking together, and even taking casual selfies. While the exact nature of the relationship remains unclear, fans are hopeful that it could blossom into something serious. Some even speculate that she might already be thinking about starting a family. "You can see it in her eyes. She wants a baby," one fan tweeted. "I'm here for it. Tammy deserves happiness." TLC producers haven't commented, but many believe that the idea of Tammy becoming a mom would make for compelling television. Of course, health is still a concern. Though Tammy has lost hundreds of pounds and qualified for bariatric surgery, her body has been through years of strain and damage. Some doctors have hinted that pregnancy may carry increased risks for her, especially considering her history of sleep apnea, diabetes, and mobility challenges. But with proper medical supervision and preparation, pregnancy might not be off the table. Fertility experts agree that once bariatric patients stabilize their weight, many go on to have healthy pregnancies. In fact, pregnancy after weight loss surgery has become more common in recent years, especially for women who were previously told it would be impossible. If Tammy continues to prioritize her health and consults with professionals, motherhood could be a realistic next step. That alone gives fans a glimmer of hope. Tammy herself hasn't explicitly said she wants to become a mother, but there have been subtle hints. In an interview earlier this year, she mentioned how much she adores being an aunt. "I love my nephews so much," she said with a huge smile. "Spending time with them makes me feel like I'm living for something bigger." In another scene from 1000 LB Sisters, she was seen holding her baby nephew and cooing softly while rocking him to sleep. Fans who watched that episode were quick to react. "That was the most tender moment I've seen from Tammy," wrote one commenter. "She has a mother's heart." Even her sister Amy, who has 2 children of her own, said she could see Tammy being a mom one day. She's changed. She's softer, more patient. It's wild to see. If she ever has a baby, I'll be the first to cry. Social media has exploded with posts imagining what Tammy's life would be like with a child. Fan art shows her holding a cartoon baby. TikTok edits depict fantasy scenes of her pushing a stroller, and even AI-generated images have placed her in idyllic motherly moments. These visions, though fictional, reveal just how emotionally invested people are in Tammy's journey. Viewers have watched her fight addiction, depression, obesity, and even near-death experiences. Seeing her succeed feels personal to many. It's not about her size anymore. It's about her strength. And what better way to symbolize a fresh start than with a baby? There's also something cultural at play. In the world of reality TV, few things generate more fanfare than pregnancy news. Whether it's the Duggar family, Teen Mom, or Sister Wives, babies keep people watching. TLC knows this, and it wouldn't be shocking if the network subtly encouraged Tammy to explore the chapter. Some even wonder if producers are already crafting storylines around the idea. With Amy having recently gone through a breakup and juggling life as a single mom, fans are eager to see a new family dynamic. Tammy stepping into motherhood could bring new emotional weight and depth to the show. Still, not everyone supports the idea. Critics argue that Tammy is still recovering and needs more time before adding a baby into her life. It's too soon, wrote one viewer. Healing comes first. Babies are a huge responsibility. Others point out that motherhood isn't for everyone and that Tammy shouldn't be pressured just because fans want a fairy tale ending. Mental health advocates have warned against romanticizing pregnancy, especially for someone who is still rebuilding their emotional foundation. Fans mean well, said one therapist on TikTok, but sometimes we forget that these are real people with real struggles. Tammy deserves peace and rest, not just another expectation to meet. Even so, Tammy seems to be taking everything in stride. Her online presence is more positive than ever, with videos showcasing her walks, cooking experiments, and laughter-filled moments with friends. She's also been more open about her emotions, sharing vulnerable posts about body image, love, and loss. Her authenticity has made fans love her even more. Some say that this emotional evolution is exactly why she'd be a good mom. She's not afraid to cry anymore. That's growth, said one follower. She knows how to fight for herself now. She'll fight for her kids too. In the end, whether Tammy Slaton chooses to become a mother or not is entirely up to her. What matters is that she now has the option, something that wasn't guaranteed before. Her journey has shown the world what transformation looks like. She's gone from being a headline for all the wrong reasons to a symbol of perseverance. For many, the idea of her becoming a mom feels like the next step in a story that continues to surprise, inspire, and move millions. No one knows what the future holds, but fans are ready for whatever comes next. Whether she chooses babies, travel, love, or simply more peace, they'll be cheering her on every step of the way. As the cameras continue to roll and her story unfolds, one thing is certain, Tammy Slaton has proven she is more than her weight, her past, or her pain. She's a woman with a future. And maybe, just maybe, that future includes the pitter-patter of little feet. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.